If you are watching this, you probably already know that YouTube has been heavily pushing shorts to the market to reach more people. Right now, the algorithm for YouTube shorts is optimized to get you more views quickly. There's really no better time like this to go viral on YouTube shorts. By applying this 4-step process, you can actually make viral shorts and make more money from it. So here's the first step. The first 5 seconds. The first 5 seconds is the most crucial part in your YouTube shorts. This is the decision-making place for your random viewers to choose whether keep watching your video till the end or skip and watch the next one. I'll show you the exact 3 ways that you can actually hook the viewers in the first 5 seconds. The first way for that was use your maximum editing skill. Begin your shorts with visually captivating scenes or graphics. Engaging visuals immediately draw viewers into your content. Example, take a look at this clip about Mr. Beast.
Mr. Beast told us that he lost $500,000 making one of his videos, so we asked him, does that worry you?
Well, no, I mean, at the end of the day, I could spend less per videos if I want to. I'm just focused on making the best videos possible, period. I don't care about making money. I don't care about time. I don't care about anything. I just want to make the best videos on the planet.
See how captivate the sound effects and text animation with fast-paced editing. Even if the background have not so much colored lights or anything goes on, still the color is so balanced and more enough to hook the viewers. Nowadays, it is so easy to edit videos using cool pre-made presets and transitions in the CapCut, Filmora or any other editing softwares you like to use for maximize your editing style. The second way to hook the viewers in the first 5 seconds was use intriguing statement. Make a bold and attention-grabbing statement right at the beginning. It could be a strong opinion, a shocking observation, or a controversial viewpoint. For example, in the same clip about Mr. Beast, he says, Mr. Beast told us that he lost $500,000, so we asked him. It was so intriguing to watch the full video to know what he said. So the last way to hook the viewers in the first 5 seconds was personalize your approach. It refers to the practice of making your content and communication style to create a more intimate and relatable connection with your audience. This involves incorporating elements that reflect your personality, preferences, and unique characteristics into your shorts. By doing so, content creators aim to foster a sense of authenticity, making viewers feel more personally connected to the creator. This personalized approach may include addressing the audience directly, sharing personal experiences, using a distinct style or tone, and creating content that resonates with the viewer's interests and emotions. The goal is to enhance engagement, build a community, and establish a more meaningful relationship between the content creator and their audience with the short-form videos. Now the second step in the process of making a viral shorts was audience retention. So now, if you are managed to pass the first 5 seconds by hook the viewer's attention, what you should need to do next was make the viewers engage with your video content to watch the full video. I'll show you the exact 5 ways that you can actually make the viewers to watch your full video short. Now the first way to increase the audience retention rate was curiosity. Pose intriguing questions or scenarios early on the video to spark curiosity, and it encourages the viewers to find answers throughout the video. So use the curiosity gaps to your short videos. Here you may have doubt about what is curiosity gap. The curiosity gap simply means the gap between what we currently know and what we want to know is what makes the viewers to watch the full video. This is one of the basic drivers for human behavior. Now the second way to increase the audience retention rate was quick pacing. Yes, maintain a brisk pace with dynamic transition. Keep the viewers engaged with your shorts without getting bored or skip your video in the half. This fast-paced editing style was used by many famous YouTubers like Mr. Beast and many other YouTubers for hook the viewers to watch their full videos. And it keeps the audience engaged by preventing boredom. Here's the third way to increase the audience retention rate was relatable content. Include a relatable situation or characters or music that resonate with the viewers based on the type of content that you are creating will help the viewers to engage with your content. And also, it fosters a connection that encourages them to stay till the end of the video. The fourth way to increase the audience retention rate was visual appeal. Use vibrant visuals, effective editing, and captivating imagery to enhance the overall viewing experience. You know that nowadays most of the YouTube creators use the green screen to change the background to make the videos more visually appealing. And the Faceless YouTube creators rocking with the sound effects and editing style with the great transitions. You can done this editing and transitions on the app like CapCut, Filmora with more efficiently. The final way to increase the audience retention rate was clear narrative. Craft a clear and compelling narrative, ensuring that each moment contributes to the overall story or punchline, motivating viewers to watch till the end. Create a story arc with the beginning, middle, and end, even in a short duration. In the short video platforms, beginning is the place that you are introducing your story or a character in the most hooking way. Middle part is the place that everything about the video getting more interesting for the end result or conclusion. End part is the place that makes the viewers to breathe. The tension built by the middle part of the video will exit here. So make sure you give the best end result for the video in the end part. So now, if you learned all of these, we're gonna move on to the next part, that is go with a trend. Trends are your real best friends in the world of short. We'll explore how to identify and ride the latest trends, keeping your content fresh and aligning with what viewers are actively searching for. For example, you can use viral song that are trending now to get more traction, or you can go with the trending topic like today's hot news. You can make short video around the topic of the news and go viral with it. Example, Johnny Depp and Amber Heard case at that time. So the last step for make a viral shorts was thumbnail. Yes, thumbnail for YouTube Shorts is crucial as it's often the first thing viewers notice if it is in a homepage of the YouTube or on the For You page of related topic people search for. A compelling thumbnail can significantly impact click-through rates and attract more viewers to your short videos. It should be eye-catching, relevant, and give a glimpse of what the content is about to encourage viewers to click and watch. Remember, in short videos, the key is to be concise. With YouTube Shorts, you have a very limited time to hook viewers. So make every second count, test different approaches, analyze audience responses, and refine your intros based on what resonates best with your target audience. So if you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe and like the video.